In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Wix website. If you've already built your site and you're ready to make it live for visitors to see, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your websites, settings, and editing tools. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu there. Click that drop-down to access your site options. From that menu, choose the option to view all sites. In Wix, this may appear as Go to All Sites. Click that and you'll be taken to the section where all of the websites in your account are listed. This is especially helpful if you manage more than one site, because it lets you make sure you're opening the correct project before publishing anything. Now find the website you want to publish and select it. Take a quick moment here to confirm that it's the right site, since publishing will make the current version of that website live online. Once you've selected the site, click Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor, where your website design and content are displayed. The editor is where you make changes, review your layout, and prepare everything before going live. After the editor opens, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Publish button there. This is the button that sends your current site version live. When you're ready, click Publish. Wix will then ask you to confirm the action. Simply click Publish again to complete the process. After that, your website will be officially published and available online. That's all it takes. The key thing to remember is that you start from the Wix dashboard, open the drop-down in the top left, go to All Sites, choose the correct website, click Edit Site, and then use the Publish button in the top right to make it live. If you've made updates to an already published site, repeating this same process will push those latest changes live as well. So anytime you edit your website and want visitors to see the newest version, just publish again, and that's how to publish your Wix website.